So when I first met Mike, I thought this guy is genuine. He's authentic. Like he speaks to real people. And going through the Richer Everyday program, I realized I would hit these 10K, 11K months, and as soon as it goes anything above like 10K, there's like an automatic switch that says come back to safety. What I thought it was just it's just limiting beliefs, and I got to work through those. And what I realized in going through the Richer Everyday program, sure, there's that aspect of what's going to play out, but then I started to get a real understanding of what's going on in the mind, with the chemicals and behaviors in response to those, and how I can really train the mind from a practical sense and rewire it to use pain and pleasure to drive my behaviors in a different way. So just in applying a few things in just a few short days and weeks I've been working with this, I've already been seeing 12K, now 13K. I can see the pattern coming up in real time and going, oh yeah, I see that old thing. Let's go apply what we learned from Mike and already have a plan in place and then meet that with something different. So now I can already see that this is going to be the new normal, onward and upwards to meeting 20K, 30K and up, just basically breaking the cycle from a real practical standpoint. I can't say enough about how awesome this program is. I can't wait to see where it takes me over years and decades to come. So I highly recommend trying out Richer Everyday program if you've been seeing certain income thresholds, breaking through them, and then immediately self-sabotaging, going right back to where it was. Thanks, Mike. Thank you for all you do. All the best. Do this program.